Good morning, guys. It's an early one. It's around 9 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to head out to New Jersey, Englishtown to be exact, because they have a drifting event going down. And I, for one, love drift cars. So you guys know me as per usual. I gotta check over everything. I got this much left. Leaned her over pretty good. That full titanium looking good though. But yeah, I'm going to a drifting event, riding the S1000RR. It's about an hour out on the bike, probably 40-45 minutes or so, depending. Probably just gonna be cruising though. It's a nice, beautiful day. Just gonna be relaxing, riding, just enjoying it. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm on the road, and we'll talk more about why I'm randomly going to a drift event. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the road. Alright, so why am I randomly going to a drift event all the way in Englishtown, New Jersey? Well, as the story goes, back in 2014, I was just getting my feet wet with the whole car thing, and I wouldn't say building cars, but I was like hooking up cars, mostly Civics. And I had a friend, her name is Mallory, and she went the complete opposite way. Like, she was like, yo, I want to drift, so I'm gonna buy a S13 240, and that's what I'm gonna do. And she went ahead and brought a S13 240, which is a popular beginner drift car, or a popular drift car in general, for those of you that know. But she was like, yeah, so I'm gonna go drifting. And she just dead ass did. She would come pick me up from my house. We would go to New Jersey, Connecticut, go to all these drifting events, and I was mind blown. Like, I was like, what? Like, drifting is a thing for real, for real? Like, I was just used to people doing donuts in the street and all that. I didn't know anything about like an actual drift culture, especially here in New York. So when I found that out and I experienced it for the first time, I just fell in love. I was like, yo, drifting is so fucking cool. Like, the track is awesome. Like, damn, like, I just love this. I gotta build me a drift car. I never built me a drift car. Never got around to doing that, but still in the future plans. So sometime in the distant future, I definitely want to put together a drift car. But yeah, that's the history of it. I never built a drift car or anything, but I used to go to the drift events with a friend, and they were always awesome. And I always said, yo, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna make time, and I never really did. But now I have time, so I'm gonna go check it out, see a couple drift cars, see what's going on. But we'll see. All right, guys, I'm officially in New Jersey, and it is a nice day for a cruise ski. Low-key, I feel like if I ever move out of New York, it'd probably be New Jersey. But we're just cruising right now, and I'll get back to you guys once we are closer to the event. All right, so we are mighty close. We're about to turn on Englishtown Road, and I'm actually kind of surprised I don't see like drift cars hanging out in this parking lot and shit. I remember back when we came, that's how it would be. It would be like drift cars here, getting food, gas, and all that shit. But I don't know, not one drift car. Cool little sign. It's like in the middle of a neighborhood too, so cool. Good morning.
Drifting or motocross?
Drifting. Drifting.
You gotta go in that one.
Okay. Okay. Good morning. Here for drifting?
Perfect.
Yeah. There you go. Thank you. That's the parking for drifting? That's the parking for drifting?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, so I made it. I had to park over here in the cut. Not very stoked about that, but I don't know. This is sketching me out. I feel like my bike's gonna sink and then like turn over. But I don't know, I guess I'll just have to keep like keeping an eye on it, coming back here and checking on it. But I don't know, let's hope I have a bike to come back to once this event is over. But yeah, I'm gonna check out some of these cars. I see some really nice shit already. Right in front of me, S14 IS, another S14 in front. They look sick. So I'm just gonna take a stroll through and see all the cars. Little stroll and checking out some of the cars that they have. Look at this E36, sick. Alright, so I'm going to take a look at these cars where I have my bike parked. Cool little IS. Thing looks cool. Has some nice big wheels on it. Some flashy boys. S14, I'm not sure if this thing even runs. Cars like that look like this, they'll usually fucking rip. There you go. The S1000 made a friend, Aprilia. And check out this S14. This thing is sick. Nice. Hey. I gotta wear the helmet to film.
Oh, gotcha. So you're gonna get him barking at you.
Yeah.
Bumper, he's just wearing a helmet.
Sick S13. G35. This thing is sick though. On some RPF ones, very popular wheels. Some wall tap. Nice. Got some more S13s over here. Straight up drift machines. Look at these things. It's funny. Corbu. Nice. Pretty sick. Got this Z over here, Tree Fitty. It's got nice setup right here. Big Hoonigan sticker in the back, half bumper. That's sick. I bet that thing rips. S13 over here. Let's check out these two cars. Another S13. Nissan 240Xs are very popular with the drifting community, if you haven't realized by now. This thing is sick though. I love cars like this that just look like very like ripped apart and aggressive. BMW E30. This thing is pretty cool. Sick. A lot of camera in the front wheels. Nice. BRZ over here. Another S13 down there. Another S13. I heart yoga pants. We all do.
Once I don't have a 40-hour clock.
S14 Miata. Man, this thing is nice. I love Miatas. Had a 94 myself, but this thing is badass. They're so small in person. They're so small in person, dude. Wow, look at this wall tap though. These guys are crazy. Another 350Z. Infinity wheels in the back. That's cool. Nissan Infinity, same thing. All right, so I took a walk down, check out what some of the dirt bike guys have going on before the drifting stuff, and these guys are killing it. Holy shit. Dude, these guys are going crazy. Wow, this looks more fun than the drifting. Holy shit. Oh, he chickened out. Oh, holy shit. Wow. No way, I gotta get a dirt bike. Dude, I gotta get a dirt bike. This is crazy. That's a girl. That's a little girl, yeah. I think anyways, had the long hair. Holy shit. Bro, what? Dude, no way. Yeah, I gotta buy a dirt bike. I'm gonna go home, go on Facebook Marketplace, dirt bikes for sale. What the fuck? Sick. Look at these two getting it. And we got the G35 doing its thing. Got a 350. Getting busy. Sounds mostly stock, but he's doing his thing. Yep. There you go. Whoa. Got these guys coming in hot. Look like a 3-man tandem. They're getting busy. That orange car is nice. I think that's a Mustang, older Mustang. Pretty sick. Look at these three. Another 3-man tandem. She's doing good too. She's been killing it all day. There it is. My guy right here in this S14 I was checking out earlier. Sounds like it has an LS in it. I'm not sure, but this thing fucking rips. Sounds very LS-y. Definitely. Look at the smoke show. It's got to be an LS. That's sick. All right, guys. So, drift event was kind of dead due to the rules. Like, it got very like strict. Like, when I remember going to drift events, it was very like you just do whatever. Anyone could jump in your car. Like, no big deal. This time around, it's kind of weird. You got all these rules. They gotta have certain seats. You gotta have an up-to-date helmet as a passenger. There's a lot going on, so there wasn't really much happening besides just watching the drift, which is kind of So I got up out of there. Gonna enjoy this ride back. Enjoy this little ride back home, and that's it. Call it a day. Nice little day for a ride. I'm not too upset. It's cool watching the drift cars, seeing a couple of them. Wish I would have got that ride along though. That would have been sick, but shit, that's just how it goes sometimes. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.